Good evening, everybody. How are you doing? Well, I am not going to show you how to make the cold shabu-shabu noodles, the ketogenic way. So, for example, okay, so I know it may not look appetizing to you guys. So this is like a video blog, right? So I made a marinated or the sauce with organic garlic, organic ginger, organic vinegar, and organic olive oil, right? And with the Shirataki, carb-free noodles. Yeah, this is, and then blanched, thinly sliced pork. It's like a chilled shabu-shabu, right? Looking wonderful, don't you think? Yeah. Okay, so cheers, right? All right. This is awesome. Yeah, so I'm going to try this one as well. Yeah. So the pork, I would say 1 pound, okay? So 450 grams, yeah. And then you can put it in the refrigerator. It should last over 2 days, so yeah. Then let me try this one. Delicious. It's good for summer. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you take care and stay healthy, stay positive, and stay strong. All right? And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, right? Because I'll be uploading more excited, cooking shows. And I only use the world's cleanest product. So, okay? So, thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye.